Hello guys, this is Blessing Gravis. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone to generate AI image within short minutes. You can generate AI image and you'll be able to use it for any of your projects. This AI really help a lot. You will just search on any image you want and you will download them. Once you download all those image, you can remove it with your, maybe you can remove it anyhow you are able to remove the image. You can remove it and you can use it for any of your projects, any of the projects you are doing. You can use all those image. And what happened about the AI image is that they used to come with good quality. They come with something nice, something beautiful. As you can see this one, I really like it a lot. I like it. And it's not only this one I generated more than five. And see this one, see this one, see this one. See how it's beautiful. You can generate it by your phone. Okay, let's just go to your browser, your search engine. Just click on it like this. Okay, now just search for lexical art, lexical art. Okay, after you have clicked on it, just click on this lexical art with L logo. And what you can see all these image, you can download them. Maybe you need robot image, you can download them. You need all these kind of image, you can download them for any of your projects. Oh, you can see, you can download background, you can download any image. Now okay, let me just click, let me search for handsome man. And so whenever you click on it like that, just click on the search like that, click on the search like that, and you can see all this beautiful man. You can see them. It will give you a lot of men, and you have to choose any one you like. You can see all these ones, all these images, how you can download, how you can get them. And once you like it like that, just click on any of the image you want. Just click on it. Maybe I want something like this. Just click on it. Okay. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of direction here. Maybe you want this one. Oh, oh my god. See this one, see this one. Okay, I think this one, I like this one. Let me just download it. We can see, and let me just go and check it. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's very easy to download, it's very easy to generate. It's very easy. It's very easy. Also, you can download your background there. Let me just even put only background on it. Let me see what is going to generate for me. Can't you see? Oh my god. See what is generated for me. Only background. And if the more you describe your background, the more what is going to give you. For instance, now you need church building of the church. Just click, um just search for it, church building, and click on search. Oh my god. Oh my god. See beautiful building as it's generating it for us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't you see? That is the that is the beautiful things about AI, and a lot of things you can download there. Let me search for blur backgrounds. Let me see. Blur background. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh my god. You see a lot of background that you will need to make your work beautiful and easier. Before you say I want to blend the image together, you can come over here and download whatever you want and leave the place. Okay, that's about it. Once again, because of people that they don't know how to generate, how to download it, just click on it once like this. Once you click on it, you can come over here to see different something relates to that first one you create. I think I like this one, and click on download. Oh, in a minute, even the gig is not up to 1 MB, and the thing look beautiful. You see, that is about it. That is about how to generate AI image. And do something for me now. I want you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please do so. So subscribe on my YouTube channel. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. If you subscribe, you are encouraging me. It's not harm you. It's not do anything for you. It's not do anything for you. You just need to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Like, comment. Now let me know how these things help you. If yeah, let me know. Okay, let me just search for one thing. Let me search for one more. Okay, let me beautiful okay, let me just build ladies. Okay, lady, just only lady image. Let's see what it's going to generate for us. You can see how this all these beautiful images created. Oh, can't you see? You see all this image. Has it created all of this, and you can download them for free. Oh, instead of you using blog background, blog image, you can be using AI for your image, for your any of your design based on your own choice. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for take your time on watching this. See you in the next video, and make sure you like my video, like, comment. As you are doing so, you are helping me. Thanks.